The Fixies.
请在美剧朗读后一起跟着念哦 Let's go!
In one episode, Tom Thomas drops his mother's ring down the bathroom sink drain. He's lucky because the Fixies can help him. First, Simka explains the science of drain traps. Tom Thomas still has a chance to save the ring. Simka borrows her father's tools and tells Tom Thomas to tie a thread around her body. She goes down into the drain trap and grabs the ring. Then, Tom Thomas pulls Simka and the ring up with the thread. The Fixies save the day. See them solve science problems by watching The Fixies on Discovery Kids.